Alright, let's look at this question. It says, during winnowing of a grain chaff mixture, during winnowing of a grain chaff mixture, 5 kg of grain is separated from a 7.5 kg mixture. Calculate the mass of the chaff and the percentage of the grain in the mixture. So basically, what we are saying here is this. We have a mixture of grain and what? Chaff. And so we intend to separate the what? The chaff from the grain. Now, the mixture of the grain and the chaff is made up of a total mass of 7.5 what? Kg. Now, by the time we separated or carried out the separation, we arrived at what? 5 kg of what? Grain being separated out. Right? Now, if 5 kg of grain goes out of the mixture of 7.5 kg, it means that what we are left with is the chaff, right? Therefore, the question says calculate the mass of the chaff. Now, how do you calculate the mass of the chaff? It's pretty simple. Mass of chaff will be what? The total mass of the mixture minus the mass, the total mass of the grain. Okay, so we will subtract the mass of the grain from the total mass of the mixture. Make fully aware that we have only two substances mixed together. Okay, so if you have only two substances mixed together, the grain and the chaff, and you remove the what? Grain. What are you left with? You are left with the other substance, which is what? The chaff, right? Good. So mass of chaff is equal to what? The total mass of the mixture is 7.5 kg minus total mass of the grain is what? 5 kg. So the mass of the chaff is equal to 2.5 kg. Now the question now says, that's the first part of the question. Now we have to look for the second part, the percentage of the grain in the mixture. The percentage of the grain in the mixture. So now our focus is on what? The grain. Alright? So percentage of grain in the mixture is equal to what? The mass of grain over total mass of mixture times 100. So mass of the grain is 5 kg over total mass of mixture is 7.5 kg times 100, correct? Now kg will cancel kg, right? Now by the time we divide this by this and multiply by 100, our answer will be 66.67%. So this is the percentage of what? Grain in the mixture. Now automatically from here you can decide what is the percentage of what? Chaff in the mixture. How? Subtract this 66.67 from what? 100. Okay. Now when we do that, the percentage of chaff in the mixture will now be 33.37%. Okay. So that's it. Let's move on to the next question, number 16.